Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or delete pictures in Gallery in Wix. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so you can quickly update the images on your website whenever you need to. If you want to remove old pictures, add new ones, or just refresh the look of your gallery, Wix makes the process very straightforward once you know where to click. This is especially useful for portfolio websites, business pages, online stores, photography sites, or any website where you regularly need to keep your visuals updated. To begin, go to your Wix site page and open the editor where your content is displayed. Once you're there, look for the gallery on the page that you want to update. This is the section that contains the pictures currently being shown to your visitors. If your page contains several sections, you may need to scroll until you find the exact gallery you want to edit. When you find the gallery, double-click on it. This will open the gallery management area, where you can control the images inside it. This is the main place you'll use anytime you want to make changes to the gallery items. From here, you can manage the existing images and add new media without having to redesign the entire section. If your goal is to delete a picture, move your mouse over the image you want to remove. As you hover over it, you'll see a three-dot icon appear. Click that icon to open the image options. From there, choose Remove. That will delete the selected picture from the gallery. This is useful when an image is outdated, no longer relevant, duplicated, or simply doesn't fit the current design of your website. If you're cleaning up your gallery, take a moment to make sure you're removing the correct image before continuing, especially if several pictures look similar. It's also a good idea to check the image position or preview it first when you're working with a large gallery, because removing the wrong image can create unnecessary extra work. If you want to add new pictures instead, go to the top right area of the Gallery Manager and click Add Media. This will open your media options. From here, you can browse through the available media already stored in your Wix account, which is useful if you've uploaded images before and want to reuse them. Reusing existing media can also save you time because you don't need to upload the same file again. If the pictures you need are not there yet, you can upload your own files directly from your device. After selecting the images you want to use, add them to the gallery, and they will appear as part of that section on your page. For example, if you're updating a portfolio, you could upload your latest project images. Or if you're running a business website, you could add new product, service, or team photos. This makes it easy to update your website visuals without having to rebuild the gallery from scratch. A good tip is to use clear, high-quality images that match the style of your website, since your gallery often plays a big role in how professional the page looks. Try to keep your images visually consistent in terms of quality, lighting, and overall style. This can make the entire gallery feel much more polished and organized. It's also helpful to review the gallery after making changes, so you can confirm everything appears in the way you want. Check the image order, spacing, cropping, and how the gallery looks on both desktop and mobile if possible. A quick preview can help you catch small layout issues before your visitors see them. And that's how to add or delete pictures in a gallery in Wix. Once you know where the Gallery Manager is, updating your images becomes quick and easy. Keeping your gallery updated regularly can also help your website feel more current, professional, and useful for visitors.